ka ophis pule puthi jo ka district school jo ka South West Garo Hills ha Ampati kala Pynlong ka district level student science exhibition 2024 mynta ka sngi tarik nailar ha multi facility center Ampati ka jinghikai kalong halor ka phang ka jingstad thymmai ki jinglah bat ki jingeh Shipau tylli ki skul na kylleng ke distrik ke ïashim bynta ha ka seminar da ka bapen ka jingnang jingstad bat jingyo jong ki halor ka liang ka jingstad thymmai ka balanang ki stat bah Kani ka seminar kala ailat ki Samla pule ban wad benya ya baro ar ki jingkular bat ki jingeh ki ba ka science lengba ka artificial intelligence ka wanra ha ki bynta ba pher Kani ka seminar kala longkum karansa na ka bynta ki jingmut jing berkat ki badang rit ban ïashim bynta ha ki jingekren ki ba kongsan shaphang ka jingstad thymmai ka bala penslur ki ban perkat shaphang ki jinglah bat ki jingeh ki ba kani ka teknologi ka wanra na ka bynta ka lawei. Ki kongsan ki badan bynta hakani ke exhibition ki kentup ya uti CH Marak SEO Joint Director katanat pule puthi ha West Garo Hills Tura u Block Mission Coordinator rera para South West Garo Hills bat ka Senora N Block Mission Coordinator Betasing South West Garo Hills.
Robot extract that learn and think as intelligently as human beings is known as artificial intelligence or in short form AI. Here are some diagrams of artificial intelligence.
Or is there a way to put humankind emotion in AI? Do you think?
No, it doesn't. It cannot be possible because the feelings that we have on humans cannot be have on robots or any other because robots is created by a man. So yes, it's true that according to science, human can make robots just like a human, but human cannot be put alive inside on them. Cannot put a live heart inside on them.
Symbolizing different related technologies like 3D printing, human intelligence, cloud computing, virtual reality, and 3D modeling. Types of AI. There are three main types of AI based on their capabilities. Number 1, Artificial Intelligence. What it is? This type of AI is designed to do one specific task very well and it can't do anything else. For example, a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa, which can answer your questions, is using AI. And number 2, Artificial Intelligence. This type of AI would be like a human and can do anything a human can. And number 3, Artificial Intelligence. This would be AI which is smarter than the best human minds in every field. In summary, Artificial Intelligence is like a specialist and Artificial Intelligence would be like a human and Artificial Intelligence would be beyond human capabilities. Now let's move to the advantages of AI. There are many advantages, but here I will mention only few because of the limit time. Speed and efficiency. AI can process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, helping tasks that would take humans much longer to complete. It means it will save our time. And number 2, healthcare. AI can help doctors